Right now where pot set is concerned, I've gone through a series of adjustments. I've gone through Rachel Ray. This brand is coming up, it's on the up and up, tasty. I don't see what I like here and what I would recommend. I recommend the Pioneer Woman. That's where I'm at right now. The sets are very dynamic. You'll get some that comes with that cast iron skillet. I love to make things in a cast iron skillet. You'll get stuff that comes with cutting pieces. I'm looking at the top stock, not seeing any Rachel Ray or Pioneer Woman. As I said, I've migrated from Rachel Ray over to Pioneer Woman. I definitely recommend that you go to walmart.com and find some Pioneer Woman and go with the red, my favorite color. The cast iron skillet look like this way I talk about old time cowboy pot. You know what I'm talking about? The one when you don't cook, you eat it up and dry out the water and oil it up. Oil up the cast iron and put it in your oven. Generally I keep mine in my oven. When you're cooking things like you have a chicken breast and you braise it and thing and it not quite soak, you can dash the whole thing in the oven. You ever watch how you grab the angle and take it out. Them here thing, them ain't ready yet. I mean, my cast iron is thick and heavy, you know what I'm saying? So, that's the cast iron. And I guess they have cast iron baking tin, I didn't know that. But yeah, I have cast iron skillet in 3 sizes. And so I made like a personal one meal, one half for myself, use a small one. And so you can start on the stove, finish in the oven without having problems with the handle burning and that kind of thing.